They say I'm stinking. I'm a farmer that hustle to make the money in the village. I don't know what they say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. And I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way the hustle will be saying.
I don't understand. What's up?
Good
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Why they cry?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, sir. You don't on drugs? Why couldn't they cry?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, sir. By the way, who you be? And what did they look for here?
The notice board say housekeeping. Apply in person.
Apply in person?
Yes, sir.
Notice picking board. Apply in person. I mean the only thing where you see there. Read the other one.
Needed urgent.
Eh?
Needed urgent.
No be needed urgent. The other one, read them. Go down. Read the other one with the other one, read them.
Apply in person.
Apply in person. You don't finish?
You must agree with the GM.
You say?
You must agree with the GM.
Eh?
You must agreement with the GM.
You must agreement with the GM.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to agreement with the GM?
Totally, sir.
Totally.
Yes, sir. You suffer too much, sir. Just anywhere to sleep and eat.
It's alright.
Yes, sir.
And maybe the GM.
Yes, sir.
So as you don't see me now as the GM, are you still willing and ready to agreement with the GM?
Totally, sir.
Totally.
Yes, sir.
By the way, what you carry for hand?
Pineapple, sir.
Eh?
Pineapple.
Surrender and mercy.
Yes, sir.
Who give you pineapple?
One woman ran dash me for that. I beg and somebody they catch me.
One woman dash you pineapple?
Yes, sir. Dash me.
It's sweet?
Very, very.
Very, very.
Yes, sir.
It's alright. You get mine though?
Yes, sir.
Hey. I want them. Hey, this one sand them. He put sand in the rule line. Eh? He put sand on the rule line.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
The ground.
Ground. You need water.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. In fact, they don't employ you. Yes. Eh? Make I take. Meaning say you don't start to abide.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Why this sweat?
No.
Nothing, sir. You mean to make I hold the pineapple? Is that how nice you are?
Yes.
That's fantastic. In fact, automatic signing. They don't employ you. Hold inside. Hold your pineapple.
And if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way they hustle, say you go blow now.
Juliet, do you know sometimes I'll be praying? Let's say before I'll finish singing praises, his phone might just ring. The next thing is Afam is off. We hardly talk these days. He doesn't even have my time anymore. Do you know Afam now keeps late nights?
My dear, I'm so short of words. Afam was never like this. He wasn't.
The one that is killing me most right now is the fact that he doesn't want to talk about it. He doesn't want to say anything. Afam has really changed.
What is going on? What's going on?
I don't know. I wish I can explain it. I don't know anything.
Well, my advice for you as a friend is you need to tread with caution. You just have to.
I don't know what to say. I'm regretting this marriage.
No. You don't have to say that. No. You don't have to. You can't get tired of your marriage. You can't run away from your home because of problems. That's why you're a woman. Real women don't run away from problems. Rather, they try to solve it.
Juliet, you don't understand, right?
I do. I do, my friend. You have to be strong.
They say I'm thinking I'm a farmer that hustle to make the money in the village. I don't know what they say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle, and I'm gonna push my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take them easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna push my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down Balaga. Hey.
Who is this?
Okay, now woman be now the new cleaner and the new cook.
Says who?
Oga say me.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Young lady.
Sir.
What's your name?
Uzoma Onyema, sir.
Uzoma Onyema.
Yes, sir.
And you can cook very well?
Now my hobby, sir.
I mean, you can cook very well.
Yes, I like to cook.
So, your qualification, I mean, your educational background.
We've not already agreed, sir.
Konta, she can cook very well, eh?
Okay, this person is here, tested and trusted. In fact, she, when I see this person, she know everything. And as a matter of fact, as far as say I dey concerned, now to make sure say, all the things where she will do and well. Okay, happy here there and motor buy na motor. Leave within the right for motor, enter motor. And abakala ambulance, so enter ambulance.
It's all right, it's all right.
It's okay, sir.
It's all right, eh? If you say so.
I say so.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I know tell you. I tell you. You see, for this thing, anything we I talk. Which soup is that? All. Which one be all? I know egusi, I know obo, I know oha, I know olubu, I know no all. Which one be all?
Those ones.
Those ones, it go sweet. Those ones, it go sweet. Those ones, it go sweet.
brother, not now. Can't we leave it tomorrow? Yeah, right away. My love, you're weak. Something came up. I really need to rush out now.
What could that possibly be at this hour of the night?
It's a business call. I've been expecting this call since morning. I'll be back. Probably in the morning. Okay?
You seriously want to go?
If you have to run along, please, it's very important. Okay? You have to go. Back in the morning. Hey, sleep well.
You know, I told you. This is issue of money we are talking about here.
I know. My sister will not allow me to spend the night outside.
You know what?
No, stop thinking. Stop.
Let me
I will think about it. I will think about it.
Any amount you want, I am going to give you.
I know, stop! You're so naughty. You're so naughty.
Anything you want?
Chidima, what are you doing here? And who is this guy?
He's my friend. He's my friend, sir.
Your friend?
Yes, sir.
So Chidima, your sister sent you out to buy stuffs needed for the house. And you know how urgent it is. Here, if you know what is good for you now, before the count of 3, enter this car.
Wait. Mr. Man, she is old enough to take care of herself and make decisions for herself.
You say?
Who is this guy?
Did you hear what I just said now?
Yes, sir. It's my sister.
And so fucking what? And so what? Your sister's husband. Mr. Man, let me tell you. Please, leave here. I said leave here. If you get me angry, just look at me very well.
Go and enter that car now. Do you want me to? Silly thing. And you see you? Anywhere you see me in this town, run. I know your face now.
You're a very big mugu. Big one at that.
Did you just call me a mugu?
Capital mugu. Capital one. That is what you are.
Very stupid.
Go and enjoy. It's my birthday. I will forgive you. I will not allow you to spoil my birthday. I'll
Mark your face and your car number. I'll give you.
One push, one kid torture. In as one day, one, but I'm one kid. In I was 1 year one. I'm what is I eating out.
Honey. have to warn your sister. There are limits to what I can take. If she wants to live that kind of wayward lifestyle, not under my roof.
No.
Imagine this girl. I saw her smooching a guy outside, on the road.
What happened to you? Eh? Talk to me now, what?
Uncle slapped me.
Afam, why would you slap her like that?
Is it that you didn't hear what I just said?
Hey.
Huh?
Did he wound you?
He slapped me with my right cheek.
Paining you?
Yes.
Afam, please, in case of next time, do not try that again. I beg you, please.
Wait, is that why? So I don't have right to slap her?
Nah, this people say, I need to change all this tank. Sometimes, yeah. Who's Oma?
Come now. Yeah, you see me from top of this place. You know, even ask me, say, you know, see me. I know, see no be come. I know, see no be say make I come.
So, see, now we be say nobody dey house. Oga don come out. I foresee make you bring the food, my food. Come inside, make we eat together. You know, see that room. Since we come this place, since we come this place, you never try to enter that room. Say make me and you. So, carry the food, come. Make me and you sit down, eat them. This one why they talk, they look me like say I get typhoid. Again.
You know where now? Make I carry your food, come. Hey, Uzuma. I can't come your room, me eat and there. Why?
Man, why can't they talk like say, no be our agreement, no be agree say, you know be our agreement?
We agree, say I go follow your instruction totally.
So what in the bad?
If I say make you carry food, come inside, make me and you sit down, make they do, make me and you.
Yeah, look my breast. Aye, this is baptismal water. I like this baptism.
You look my breast. You dey mad? Now which kind talk be that? Now I carry the food come your room, make we eat am for them. Your head correct. You dey hear what you dey talk, sef?
Uzoma.
Huh?
Uzoma, what is self? The first time he poured me this water, I was very glad. I thought it was a baptismal water. I don't know say you get bad thing for mine. See, make I tell you. Okay, maybe the first time we come for this place, our initial agreement, maybe say you go do anything I talk. Wouldn't they wrong for me to say, come inside, make we eat together? You didn't hear how they go to do this. Yeah? What's bad there inside? Say I tell you, say, okay, come inside, no be the agreement with me I agreed before.
How? You be very foolish person. Because since I come this house, I dey respect you. I dey give you good food, serve your food well. Then you come stand there now with your hunchback and your bow leg, they talk with you, I don't know.
Huh? See, make I tell you, Uzoma. See, make I tell you. Sake of say, me and you talk this thing now, you won't come begin there, you don't want to come fulfill your agreement. Because of say, Oga don't employ you. See, make I tell you. If not that one, they give you the bravado. If not that one, then they give you the muscle. Make you remember, say, for inside Bible, then talk, say, when nation they think, say, they don't stand well, but they look very, very well, because they fit for. See your matter. You see your matter. I go table your matter, give her. I still matter of fact. Shut up.
I don't feel do anything.
I don't feel do anything.
Shut up.
No, wait. Uzoma, you say I don't feel do anything. Uzoma. Watch him. If I no report your matter, give her. If I no sack you, come up for this place. Call me Nama.
Nama.
Oga never sack you now. I tell you, if Oga no sack you, they call me Nama. Oga never sack you. If Oga don't sack you, come. See, Uzoma, make I tell you, you see this place where you work. Have it in mind that today na the last day we go work for this place. If Oga no sack you, I will sack myself. If it is that they lie, on your back row. Come on, bet. Uzoma, bet. Bet.
Yeah.
Why?
Emeka, why me? What have I done to deserve this?
Sister, stop lamenting. Yes, stop lamenting. I told you, of all the spiritualists I went to see, they all said the same thing. Yes, they said she's alive. So, I mean, Asaba is a small place. It's a small town. Moreover, I've reported to the police, and they are all assisting in looking for her. So we'll find her.
The spiritualist said my daughter is alive.
Yes.
Uzoma, my daughter is alive. God will punish Afam and Udoka. After all Uzoma did for them, this is what Afam paid my daughter with. Yeah. Somebody will do the same thing to him. Somebody will do the same thing to him. I'm telling you the truth. Hey!
Sister, remove Afam and Udoka from this. Yes. It's Uzoma's fault. If I had taken her to the city, we won't be talking of her missing or not by now.
Like I was saying before, I need to go to the market and fix some things, you know, like we used to do it before.
Okay. No, there's no problem. I'll have to speak to him to, you know, tell him the latest development, then we push from there.
Okay, no problem.
All right, no problem.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes.
You are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, Afam, let me rush.
Okay, it's all right.
I will see you. Okay, no problem.
You're leaving already?
Yeah, I have to go.
Hope I'm not pursuing you.
No.
How far?
Udo,
Far.
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay. Always looking good.
Thank you. Afam, what is happening? What is the problem?
Did I tell you I have a problem?
You didn't tell me, but there's a problem, and you know it. I'm your friend, though, so just stop all these surprise looks. Eh? What is the problem? What is happening? Did Chika offend you? Huh?
You're still confusing me.
She called me. She was crying bitterly. She was complaining.
Why?
Afam, she says you go out at night and come back the next day. In fact, sometimes you wake up at midnight and go out and come back the next day afternoon. Yeah! Why would you do that?
You of all people should know how all of this works. My business is the problem. I have this project I'm pursuing, so it's taking my time.
You're no longer single. Gone are those days. You're married now, so whatever you're doing, you tell your wife.
That is the main reason I have to double my hustle. For the fact that I'm married.
We're saying the same thing. Tell her. Put her through. So she doesn't get worried. That's what I'm talking about.
But I also do put her through though. Just that my wife wants me to be there all the time. It does. Okay, fine. I will have to talk to her. Yes, she's in. Women, you don't have money. It's a problem. You're busy chasing for money. It's also a problem.
Why are you getting serious? What is anything? Getting serious.
My love, please. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I was only hustling for our future and our unborn children.
Afam, I was happy marrying you.
I just want us back, like the way we used to be. That's all.
Same here, my love. I was the happiest man the day you said yes to me. I've always been a responsible husband, you know. Just that I had lots on my sleeve. That's what takes my time. But I promise you, I will have our time more these days. Just say anything you want me to do for you, I will do it.
Nothing.
You have to say something. Just say anything.
Nothing. I'm fine. I just want you.
Me?
Yes.
Okay, and what? What else?
Nothing.
Say something.
No!
No. Just say.
Seriously, nothing.
Can I say something?
Okay. Looks like we have someone to help us.
So what?
Mama, guess what? Auntie Zoma called me. Who? She called me. Auntie Zoma called me. Let me call her. Sit down, let me call her. Fast. Let me call her. Be fast. No. Ringing now. Wait.
Give it to me. Hey! Who's Zoma? Hello? Who's Zoma? Hey! You are alive! How are you?
I told you.
Hey! I'm so happy. Where are you? Here! I have looked for you and I almost died. Who's Zoma? Hey! Do you know that I told Udoka not to come to my compound again until they found you? Hey! Yes! I am your mother. Thank God you are alive. Thank God you are alive. I'm dancing here, Zoma. Here! Hey! Don't worry. Hey, Chimo. Yes, my daughter. Come home, fast. Hey, I'm waiting for you. I'm going to kill a cow with bull. Anything you want me to kill. Take.
Mama, I told you. Now you can dance.
Hey.
Dance very well, Mama. Dance very well.
Yes. My daughter.
Mama, I told you.
Now, can you tell me about it?
Calm down.
Please calm down. I can't wait anymore. Tell me.
Wait. Chidima. Sister. Please come.
I'm still waiting.
Go to my handbag. Collect 5,000 naira. Use it to buy what we used to prepare soup here.
Okay, sister. I should go to the market.
Yes. Okay, sister.
Sorry. Welcome.
Alright, come back fast.
I really. Now, can you leave Chidima and talk to me?
Okay. He apologized before Udoka.
Oh my God. You don't mean it.
I'm being for real right now. You got me some goodies.
Oh, so romantic.
You can say that again.
What?
So it's like as if, we just started dating again. From the sitting room to the bedroom, I had it like never before.
I can imagine.
You said you can imagine. Really?
Am I not allowed to imagine things anymore?
Let me tell you, you see this place, you're going to leave this place. If I fall, if I fall, you're leaving this place. You expected who?
Look at you. Before you came to this place, we had an agreement. And now you are thwarting the agreement because Oga has employed you. But let me tell you, whichever way you are seeing it, I'm going to tell you that I am the person that made you work here, and I will also make you live here. Live here, Usoma.
Oh, okay, make we talk.
What do they talk? Live here also. Usoma, live here. I'm telling you.
I'll go ahead to our discussion.
And you are the head to our discussion. Now, let me tell you, I'm not interested. You're going to leave this. If it is Oga, that means you're going.
No, tell him, I beg. I go do what you say make I do. I beg.
You sure?
I beg.
You go do what I tell you say make you do.
Yes.
Who's Oma?
I go do.
I know they for GPTO. Oh yeah, if you know you're going to do it, give me a hug. Give me a hug now. Let me be sure.
Okay, don't fall.
Okay, don't come. Give me a hug now. Oh, go and get it. Also, Oga don't come. Yes, sir.
Where is Uzoma?
Uzoma?
Yes, Uzoma.
She's inside.
You are confused.
No. I'm not confused. I'm trying to look at the way she passed. She passed like this, enter.
If they send me away from here now, where I want go? Back to hunger. Oh, baby, don't scare me die. If they drive me here now, what you have to do? Hey, sir. Welcome, sir.
Who is sending you away?
Sir?
I mean, who is sending you out of this house?
Okunta, sir.
Okunta? For what? Okunta! Okunta!
Hello, Oga. Good afternoon. Welcome, sir. Uzoma, what are you still doing here? You're supposed to go inside and prepare food for Oga to eat. You know very well that Oga doesn't eat late at night. I kept telling you, advising you, but you wouldn't learn. Why?
Shut up! Shut up your mouth. That is not why I called you here. Now tell me, why are you sending her out of this house?
Sir? Uzoma, who want to send you away?
That's what you said now.
Me?
That's what you say. You say if I don't come sleep for your room, say you go drive me come off for you.
What?
Innocent like me. How could I have said a thing like that? Okay, you know very well. Okay, you know that I'm innocent. The last time I came back from confession, okay, I told you what I confessed and the Holy Communion they gave to me. How can this girl, why will this girl stand before me and lie against me that I said? Okay, as a matter of fact, you know very well, I took an oath of celibacy. For 10 years, I said, I have not even used this thing. 6 months out of these 10 years, I have not used. And this girl opened her mouth. That I said, if she don't come to my room, I will send her away. Okay, the thing I said was, I told this girl, based on the oath of celibacy that I took, if she dare come into my room, I am going to send her away. Okay, is it a bad thing?
Okunta, listen to me. Okunta, I know you very well.
Oh, Oga knows me very well. That
Will you shut up for once? Yes, sir. At your running mouth. Is something wrong with you, Okunta? You think I didn't understand what you wrote at the gate? Eh? No, Okonta, tell me. You must be very careful. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
You must be very careful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uzama, come with me to the car. I have some gifts for you. I brought you clothes.
Thank you, sir.
I know you will like.
You see these slippers? You know we see them again. These slippers, in fact, you're going to go on one leg. I will not give you these slippers again. Nonsense. Because Oga promised bought you clothes. You came to this place now and was doing 360 degree for clothes. Nonsense.
Make sure you buy all that is listed here. And do not forget anyone.
Okay, sister. I won't. Maybe you go so I'll be back.
And Chidema, sister, please be fast.
Alright, I will.
Come back fast.
Okay.
Bye. Come here. Honey, where's she going to?
To the market to get some foodstuffs.
To which market?
I want her to go get some foodstuffs.
Wait for me at the car. I am going to drop you to wherever you're going to. Are you deaf?
We're going to the market.
Honey, I have told you to stop sending this girl out all by herself. She has started seeing men.
But she's not a baby anymore. She can go.
No, she cannot go alone. She can't get pregnant under my roof. It would be a shameful thing to us.
Okay, it's fine. If you insist, you can take her. It's fine.
I'm going to Godwin's place for a meeting. From there, I'll go to the ATM. So it's preferable I drop her off. When I'm done, I pick her back. Is that okay by you? It's fine. Please.
A good heart is good. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best. You. No matter what you do, it's always being good to go. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to go. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best. Yo, is best. Is the best. If for solo see me best, it's always being good to go. A good heart is good. Yo. All the way.
You see this thing you're trying to see, perhaps looking for. When you find it, do not run. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you, Chidema.
But I'm not looking for anything.
You're not looking for anything. Just keep doing what you're doing. Yeah, hello? Oh, okay, I'll be right there. No, just tell him to wait, I'm coming. Now. Okay.
If I had known, I wouldn't have allowed this girl to work in this place. If I had known that this girl would come and have eyes on Oga, on Chief, I wouldn't have allowed her working. Imagine. I have worked with Chief for how many years now? Chief he has never thought it wise to buy me a single cloth. Look at Uzoma. Uzoma clothes everywhere. Uzoma has clothes everywhere.
Please. Come on, help me and put on the gel. I want to blend fruits for chicken.
What? See, let me tell you. You think you're sharp? You think you're smart, Abi?
Why you the best?
Why you the talk?
Maybe I will enjoy this house together.
Enjoy. Look at you. Enjoy when you have already told Oga everything. What is there to enjoy?
We enjoy the food while they cook.
You enjoy the food.
So, you don't notice the new clothes I wear? What you buy for me? Eh? Go on, Jess. I go on, Jess. Go on, Jess. Pass, go on.
Your mother. Your father.
Take a easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money, and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey. When I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey. When I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey. When I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. They tell me slow down.
Hey.
The way the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take a easy and know that.
What did you just do?
Oh my God, sir. You're not sleeping. Sir, you know they sleep. They pain me. They worry about you, sir. You dey work hard too much. As I come now, I can't do the drink. Don't they enter? Oh, sir, they worry for you because you stress yourself too much.
Thank you very much for your concern. But that is not my question. Why do you have to take my drink? Huh?
Oh, sir, I dey worry for you. Oh, my spirit don't dey low. I dey worry for you because you dey stress yourself too much. As I reach here now, I see say the glass just dey full. You know, I tend to, drink am. It dey pain me. Now I can't drink am.
It's all right. Thank you very much for the advice, eh?
I'm gonna go right there,
Go and have my
pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, a good heart is good. A better heart is the best, you. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to you. A better heart is the best, you.
Jesus! What happened to you, baby?
Honey, don't get scared. There's nothing serious.
Oh my God, what happened?
No, it's just bike people. I saw them fighting. I'm trying to separate them. All of this.
Are you sure you're not injured?
I'm fine. It's just their blood stains. I'm fine. I need to run along. I have a very important meeting to attend to. Let me change. Okay?
Are you sure?
I'm fine. It's just their blood stains. Nothing.
What to do to please all these people, oh. But no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. A good heart is good. It's good. It's good. A better heart.
Hello? Juju? Yes. Is Chidinma at your place? Oh my God, I'm finished. She went out since morning with my husband and I've been trying to call her. She hasn't been picking my calls since then. Yes! He's not picking too! Hey. Yes. I'm fine. I'll try. I'll be calm. Alright, good night. Where's Chidinma?
Is she not back?
No.
How?
She's not back since you guys left. And I've been calling her since morning. She hasn't been picking my calls.
Since morning?
Yes. Since morning you dropped her off.
How is that possible?
This is so strange. Where is she? Where could she have gone to?
I dropped her there, and when I was done, I went back there to pick her up, and the attendant said she left. You mean she hasn't been back since then? Oh my God. My love, you see? This is what I've been telling you. Your sister has started living a bad life.
She hasn't done this before. This is like the first time she's staying out this long. This is so strange.
Well, strange things starts in a day. See what I was telling you? My love, let's go to bed. Chidinma is fine. Probably she's with that same guy that I wonder about.
Sleep is the last thing on my mind right now. I couldn't even cook. I haven't had anything since.
Let's go, don't worry. I'm hungry, so you're indirectly saying there's no food for me. Huh?
I couldn't cook anything. Please.
So I'm going to bed without food. Let's go.
Buy your buns here. Sweet buns. Buy buns here. Sweet buns. Buy buns here.
I won't buy. I won't buy sweet buns.
Okay, madam.
I don't know.
How much own you want?
Small, that plenty, Zeb. This your box. Na your own.
No, my own.
You just fry the pop put that inside. What you come out inside before you put the pop? It will be like paper.
No.
So the box na your own.
Not my own.
Now you get her.
Where's this? Give me my boss. Give me my boss. Come on now. Give me my boss.
Release this boss.
Give me my boss.
Release the boss.
Release
the boss. Release the boss. Release. I said release. Release. Again.
Give my boss.
Come on.
Wait. You don't know where you dey?
Look at the politician's house. Now there na you dey. If you don't know.
Chief Godfrey, when they run for CA, na his house now you dey so. All this way he doesn't use your hunchback dey from. The person wey get this election material, so where you go escape, book pop off.
Come. Where the
abeg.
Where the
Hey.
Where the paper?
Move
inside
inside.
this place.
Move and go inside.
Mama, what did I do?
You don't know what you don't come into.
You the grace. Also, where
You say you drop my pop.
I dey jump. You don't go even pity me. I dey breathe. Where the papers? Where they inside this place? Where you use pop exchange? Where you keep them?
More move and go inside.
No
More move and go inside.
Inside.
All your other map don't share into four for pop boy they chop.
If you chop inside the chop, you go get that.
Back the phone. Back up. We dey move and go headquarters. If I can't reach here today, even you go repent. Move.
Give my boss. Give my boss. Give my boss. Give my boss. Mother, leave me now.
You're not finished. Hey, hey.
Nothing, sir.
What is going on here?
Nothing, sir.
What is happening here?
I just said make I come outside. Ma take fresh air.
Yes.
Still think about this my life. How they go and how you come be. Now I see this woman. Electoral material. He carry her, he throw everybody who vote for you. He carry puff, he load her for the bag. No be arrest her. As I arrest her now, Oga when they begin to try to puff like say that boiled egg, he don't swallow plenty things.
You dey grace? What you concern me for the matter?
No, wait.
Okay.
Electoral box.
Yes, sir. See her here.
This
girl.
girl.
Come out on the paper, people will vote. Replace her with pop. Replace her with pop. You're not finished. It's still a play.
I'm gonna lie you.
Throw away the electoral material. Put pop. Put pop.
You go carry me now. Meaning get up and I'll go to pure water. You go carry.
I don't understand. You may go in.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Let me handle it myself. Now tell me.
Okay, I don't know why this guy carry the electoral material. Come go hide somewhere, come carry pop, they deceive the public. Okay, Ife?
Hey.
And again, if they give you that office, my profile self will rise.
What business has this with electoral?
Oh.
Okay, look at this place, they take those paper. I cast your vote, no decide here.
Jesus. We don't make it.
They don't finish my bones.
It's all right.
You just finish my bones.
Where in this country will somebody steal electoral box before the election day?
Oh, election never hold.
Huh?
Never hold.
You
Never
said?
hold that.
I don't understand.
Oh. Don't see her. Sir, you know,
Uzoma, I don't understand.
I just calculate and say, now the rate I feel do for you now be this. If you win this election, now my level 2 go upgrade it more. So I thought maybe they don't do election, then she don't move the box, she don't offload people who vote, come pop off inside. I don't make mistakes, sir.
We don't fuck up.
He has already finished my boss.
That's all right, woman. What actually happened?
Oga, I carry my box, they go. As I dey say my boss. Now this woman can't call me. I think say won't buy boss. Now she can't drive me here. This one can't eat my waffle.
Your father.
You don't finish my waffle.
Who be this one?
You shut up your mouth! Shut up! Don't be stupid. Madam.
The girl looks I know eat you put. Sir? No.
That's all right.
The girl looks I know chop you joy.
Uzoma. It's all right. Woman, please manage this.
Thank you, sir.
Please wait, carry.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Go, carry your boss.
Okay. I know even ask girl.
I don't know what is wrong with you people.
Sir, I know we miss her.
I don't know what is wrong with you people. Will you continue to disgrace me like this?
No, sir. You said that who?
How will people hear that I have non-entity in this house?
Okay, sir, you get non-entity, I don't know.
You meet me inside.
Are you sure she's not scared of taking your calls? Huh? Just call her number now, so I'll try calling her.
Okay. Her number is 081.
Switched off?
This is serious. How do I begin to explain to mother right now? How do I tell my mother that 2 of her daughters, one is now missing? How?
Calm down. It hasn't gotten to that. Hopefully we'll continue with the search and something positive might come. Let's not stop.
Chidinma,
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Oh. What are you thinking? I can't even remember. I think yellow dress or something. I remember. That's one of those things. What I always complain. Now see. What I'm saying it to look like I'm stupid. Just look at. Let's ask some people here. See if they can. See if you call Mama with your phone. I've been trying to reach her.
No, don't even try to involve my mother into this. You know how dramatic she could be. No, I don't want her to start thinking it's something serious because let her be for now. I just hope she's fine wherever she is. Oh.
Stop, she's fine. Nothing will happen to her. Okay?
Deja, please, can you stop? She's fine. She's okay. In exact words, what happened?
When you're done, call me. I'll come and pick you. Is that right? First, I'm expecting your call very soon.
Alright.
See, but not stop this thing now. Look at this bad man. Okay, what are you doing? When I want to kill yourself, look at this stupid man. Why you stupid? Nah. See me now, see my life now, see me now. I carry this idiot for my bike. Okay, call me George. I carry him to open for here. He carry 1,000 naira, give me this early morning. And then I send him boss, they give me 1,000 naira. What's the one? I carry the 1,000, give him back. 15 naira. You refuse to give me my choice. Start fighting me. I stop, but no beer. Go see the guy. I carry the 1,000, give him back. He just leave me the water. Which kind of sense with that now? It is all you want time to say your man and soldier. No, you want time to say your man. You want time to say your man. No, leave my friend. Wait.
So that was it. I saw two bike men fighting and they were ready to kill each other. So on trying to separate them, one of them stabbed the other one. That was how I got the blood stains. Nothing else.
Please, Chichi,
I just saw my sister has not been kidnapped.
Nothing happened to her. Stop, Biko. Oh, she's fine.
Fine. Where?
Just sit down.
Hey. Why did I send that to the market? I shouldn't have sent that home.
Find that. Stop.
Gentlemen, your polling unit is at Nkwagu. Unit 1. I said Unit 1. I want you to be there to make sure that the unit and other units are well secured. I have already sent some policemen there, and I want you to put up forces and join them to make sure that the whole units are very secured. And then direct the voters, all right? And after the vote, who is there? Who is there?
Hey, it's me, sir. I was just checking to see if you wanted anything.
Not exactly. Thank you very much. You may go. No, I said you can go. Go. So, like I was saying, we have to be very, very careful. We have to be careful. We have to work hard. Because if we are not careful, we might lose the election. Thank you very much. You may go.
Problem? For where?
Oga, they try to rig the election. I'm telling you, very bad.
No, Oga a good man. Oga a good man.
Oga na bad. Why we go try to? Oh, this is bad.
Oga a good man. Rig. I know rig now. Rig no be that one what we did for primary school. We do.
No.
Him. See.
The one will be safe. If you don't win, you go say na him win.
See. Shut up your mouth. Uzoma, see what you could do now. Very importantly, I dey hungry. Make you go inside, go cook something, bring, make I chop. That one will be the most important one. I am very, very hungry, famished.
Okay, Assistant Chief. You want that with juice?
Put kidney and liver. Fat one. Come now. Come make I tell you. This girl, one girl. You.
Look, Chika, from what you told me, I think your sister is not alive. Either she must have been kidnapped or used for money rituals.
No! That's not possible. Please do not say that again about my sister. Please, I beg you.
Listen, I know your sister to be main freak. I know she likes good cars. She likes entering lifts so long as the car is beautiful. I know she likes good things. She can be stupid sometimes, but not to stay away from home.
Hey! Please, what do I do? She's the only sibling I've got. What do I do?
You know what? I will have to take you to my pastor. Doka, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Why you still cry? I'm fine. Chichi, stop now.
Why would I cry with all these things happening around me now? What do you expect from me?
I told you, we are going to find your sister. You will see her sooner than you think. Pico, you talk to her now.
Chika, you have to eat something, even if it's little. Just eat something, please.
You need to eat, though. You really need to eat. Please, because of your condition, please.
I'm not hungry.
You need to eat, though. In this your condition, you have to eat. Ha! Oh.
Wait. Condition? Chika, what condition is she talking about?
She's pregnant.
Really? You're pregnant? This is what I've been wanting to hear. But how come Udoka found out before me?
Juju, please, that's not the case. Biko, that's not the case. Chichi, you need to eat. And your food is at the dining. Biko, you need to eat now. I'm begging you, that child needs food. You need to eat.
Please stop crying. You want me to cry? Stop crying, please. Can you?
Yeah, let me pamper you because that's what you like, You see your sister very soon. Stop crying.
I want to see my sister. I want to see Chidinma.
You will. Stop crying.
When was the last time you set your eyes on your sister?
And of course, just few days ago.
It is well. There is nothing the Lord cannot do, for He is the author and finisher of our faith. So I believe He will do all things. Just have faith and have confidence in Him. Continue praying and read Psalms. I believe your sister will return back safely.
Hey.
Okay? In this our local church,
He has done countless testimonies. He has done it that eyes could not believe what they saw. A few months ago, a woman that was looking for a child for 9 years conceived and delivered safely in this our commission. A child that was kidnapped in the hands of the kidnappers. We prayed and the child was returned safely. So I believe there is nothing that he cannot do. Just have confidence in him and everything will be okay. Continue praying. Prayer is the master key. Don't listen to anything any other person will tell you, but believe in God and he will do it. Okay?
Amen.
Okay?
I believe in God.
Yes, he will do it. Let me just lead you in prayer. Huh?
Hello, Chief, trust me. Trust my team and I. We are very close to him. Yes. Don't worry, he will die. Don't worry, he will die. Leave it for me, trust me. He will die. Leave it for me.
Yes. That good. We go kill him after election. Yes, we go kill him. Yeah?
I agree to you.
Thank you. Is Chief in?
Chief?
Yes.
Chief is in.
I just want Chidima back. I just want my sister back.
She will come back. Trust me, she will. The God we serve will bring her back.
When?
Don't worry, by the time we finish our fasting, I have faith that she will come back. Please.
What will I tell my mother? What will I tell my mama?
She will come back. Fine. I trust the God we serve. Nothing will happen to her.
I just want to look like Chidima.
Where?
That face was covered with blood, so I didn't see it clearly. Check her. No, check her. No, don't do this. No, check her.
No, my love, you can't. My love.
Don't do this. It's not your sister.
My love.
Check her.
She okay, Doc?
Okay, yeah, she's fine, but please, she would need some space now. She needs to rest. Mr. Pham, can I see you in my office now?
Okay, you people should take care of her. Let me see the doctor quickly.
Well, Mr. Afam, I called you here to break a rather bad news to you, and whatever I tell you here now, I want you to take it like a man that you are, please. Is that okay?
Okay, go on.
As it is, your wife lost the pregnancy, Yeah, she had a major shock that led to too much bleeding. Her BP was high, and due to the complications, we weren't able to handle it, although we tried our possible best. And even at that, the baby was still lost. I'm sorry about that, and I would want you to take it easy on yourself. Because when you're strong, you know she's strong. She actually would derive a lot of strength from you. So please try to be strong for her sake. But I would like to ask, what really led to this whole predicament that caused it?
Afam, what is it?
Afam, talk.
Can you tell me what the problem is?
She lost the baby.
Oh my God! Lord have mercy. What?
How do we break this news to her now? How?
Just take it easy, okay? Calm down. Actually,
what kind of temptation is this?
Is this human blood?
Yes. I was passing when I saw the body lying here covered with blood. This was where I saw the body.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Okay, fine. Hello? Excuse 1 minute, please.
Good afternoon.
Sorry. Good day. Please, do you know what happened to the body that was dumped here?
The police just took the body away, not up to 20 minutes ago.
Sorry, do you know the station where they took the corpse to?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so which way did they pass?
I don't know. Do I look like a policeman?
So, why do you want to see me?
Okay, this thing I want to tell you, so I know if you come out here until you agree with me. I know come out until you tell me say you don't hear and you agree.
Okay, I have heard you, and I agreed. So, what do you have to say?
On election day, this election where you go run, so
yes.
Hope you say you dey run for office. I know I make come out for house. You just day house, you day your day. Me, I will day my day. Everybody will day in day like that. And you know, come out for house.
Why?
Okay, I get very bad dream. You be good man, you don't help me. I know I make anything happen to you. All these people where they follow you, where they come, but they carry bag, they wear black. I don't trust any of them. I beg, not go anywhere. I beg.
That's all right. That's all right. Thank you very much, my dear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
But nothing is going to happen to me. Nothing is going to happen to me.
Okay, I know, sir. I know. But that day of election, just like for the say nowhere. Offer your phone, no come out. Just the house. I'm not going to be if anything happen to you, sir, because you be good man. I'm not going to be, don't trust anybody.
Why do you want me to stay away from the election? Huh? They are casting vote for me and you don't want me to be there?
Okay, whether you no go, if you go, they will still vote. They will vote. I beg, no go. Just stay for house. I beg.
Thank you very much, But all I'm saying is nothing is going to happen to me. Listen to me, my dear. I have been in this business for so many years. Don't worry. I will know how to take care of myself.
Yes, but that day when they come now, you don't go anywhere. You will just cap your day.
I've heard you.
Thank you, sir.
So, you can go. I said I've heard you. You can go.
Yes, okay, make I go now. Yes, yes.
Yes, you go. Thank you, eh?
Yes, make I go. You just do your day. You don't need to go anywhere.
Oh my God.
You your day. You understand me, sir?
It's all right. Thank you, eh?
Okay, you see me like they go.
Yeah, you can go.
Afọ mefu. Ono bia. Chika.
Hi, bia.
Ki iru gị dị otu a? Is anything the matter? Ọ dịkwa na mma?
Sorry, it's Chidema in.
Chidema nwa. Mba. Akwụkwọ onye na-abụ na city.
She be.
What happened?
Mama, we've been looking for Chidema. Went to the market to buy stuff we needed for the house. So I dropped her off and told her to buy what she needs while I used the ATM. So on coming back, Chidema was nowhere to be found.
For how long?
For 2 days now, Mama.
Hey, Chidema! Afọ mefu ise gịnị?
Olúbẹ̀ gone now. Mama, nothing has gone. We'll find out. Mama. Mama, we'll find out. Olúbẹ̀, no, we will. Mama, nothing happened to her.
What is happening? Listen, careful.
Chidema is missing.
Chidema again?
Yes, Chidema.
No, we'll find her.
We'll find her. She's alive. She's alive.
Chidema, wait. Chidema. Yeah, she will back. Don't come down. She will back. Stop crying. I said stop crying. Nothing will happen to her. Chidema, take it easy. It's okay.
Okay, Baba God, another election not they come. Morgan don't try for a very long time. Make him win. Anybody will go make a no win. Holy Ghost fire.
Oh, go, Baba. Oh, go. My daddy.
Usama, this why you're singing praises to me. I hope there's no problem. Make you tell me something. Usama, I don't get time for all those things. If you want to talk.
Come, good news, oh, come.
Make it be good news, oh. It be Jehovah's Witness.
You see that way, don't they disturb me for sleep? I want to give you today.
Usama, see, let me tell you. If there's anything I hate in this life, I'm a perfume. Are you serious?
I say, make we go inside now. Oh, conta, Baba. I too appreciate you.
Wait, to make you not be say, I dey hallucinate or say I get typhoid.
Okay, Baba. I enter the place. Then look who's the place too.
Chiniki. Hi. See, you know say, Oga go soon come out. So in order for us not to have distraction, I foresee make we wait, make Oga come out so that once we start the thing, we go now can reach the end without any distraction.
If you no go do it now, bye-bye.
Well, come.
Okay, now they keep it there. Give me your key.
Why?
I go lock you inside because I never give Oga food. So me I foresee me you go bath, come out your clothes, naked, inside blanket. Then me I lock you inside. After I give Oga food, this somebody to come to give the knock. Everybody go know it won't go down. It don't go good.
You get sense?
Just open the door, enter, come meet you inside the blanket.
You get sense? Honestly speaking. You know, as a matter of fact, today when I dey bath, I see something they tell me say, if you say something will happen. I wash everything clean. If it sparkling clean. If you enter there, oh my cheek, it is sweet. It pepper like curry. So when I remove clothes, remove everything. Enter.
waiting for phone, I didn't see him. Can I use your phone to make a call? Very important call and a personal call. My phone? I will give you back. Okay, I can take it. Thank you. When I got ready to come out, I'll come call you. I'll give you the phone. Thank you.
They say I'm thinking I'm a farmer that house to make the morning the village. I don't know what to say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. And I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see my hustle go pay.
Chief is calling me.
Chief.
But before you go, give me the car key. I'll let you know when it's ready.
Are you done with my phone?
No, I'm done with
To make this hustle to pay, I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money,
Kept one here, kept the other here, and I was charging this other one, and I kept this other one here. So what happened? Where is my phone? Where are the two phones?
Where are your phone? I didn't see them.
Where is Uzoma and Okonta?
Uzoma, she's outside. She said that you want to see me.
I did not ask her to call you. I did not. I am looking for my phone now. How will I talk to my friends? Today is the election day. What will I do? I kept my phone here. I kept the other one here. Please, go and call them. Go and call Uzoma. Okay, tell Uzoma to come here now. What nonsense is this?
Everywhere is locked. As I'm talking to you now, every door is locked.
What do you mean every door is locked? No. Don't tell me that.
Every door, the whole door is locked.
How can the whole doors be locked?
I can't go out.
No. It cannot. It can't be. Today is my election. How can I communicate my friends? How? Doors locked, my phones I cannot. Give me way. If I get that girl, I will deal with her.
Let me be the chief security officer of this house. I don't secure everywhere now. I don't know who want kill you. I don't feel allow you to go outside. May I not go kill you through away. Everybody they follow you and don't trust them. So nobody go enter this compound. Nobody go come up for this compound today.
Yeah. Uzoma.
Sir?
Uzoma.
Yes, sir.
Who locked up the both doors?
I, sir.
For what?
For security, sir.
What security?
Your safety.
No. Are you insane? Are you mad?
Yes, sir. Are they mad? Because I don't already advise you, I don't beg you, as you not agree here, I know if you leave you, may you go kill yourself. Now I say make I secure the entire place.
I think you must be joking, eh? Anyway, Uzoma, please come and open this door.
I don't go fit, sir.
Uzoma, I said come and open this door for me.
I don't go fit, sir.
Eh? Where's Okonta? Okonta!
Okay, I didn't inside this place, so she locked me. I don't even feel come outside.
Oh, she locked you up too.
No, I don't understand what you mean. Are you insane?
Okay, because today na election. And I know say they won't kill you outside. You don't too bless my life. I know if you leave you, may you go die there like how.
Who will kill me? Nobody. Nobody can kill me.
Okay, that's why everybody they always talk until they die.
Listen, Uzoma, if I drop down from this place, I will destroy you. Come on, put this. I want to go out.
Sir, once you jump down, I wound your wound last. Okay, tie your body.
Which body? Huh? Which body? Uzoma, you get mine. You have to have my body. You be doctor.
Okay. Uzoma. My phones and those things there.
They're safe. They're there, yes, sir.
Guy, I want to have them, please. Give them to me.
I don't hold on for you, sir.
What kind of nonsense is this, for Christ's sake? Hey, you want to destroy my career? Okay. It's all right. I'm okay.
What on earth did I do to this girl? Eh? What did I do to her? Eh? Everywhere locked. How will I communicate my agents? Eh? Today is the election day. How will I communicate my agents? Okay. If I get this girl, if I get her, I will teach her a lesson that she will never forget in her life. In her entire life.
Oga, she's even with my phone. If not, I would have made some calls. Oga, we have to do whatever we can to leave this place now. If you do not show up today, Oga, you will lose the election.
I will lose it. I will lose it. I will lose it. Go and try. Go. Go and try. Go and try your best if she will come and open the door. Try your best, please. Knock.
Where could she have gone?
I don't know. I just don't know. We've searched for her everywhere in the city before coming down here. That girl doesn't listen. I tried so hard to talk her out from living that kind of life. Eh? Where I live, there are so many guys that are into shady deals. You know, fetish things. I tried to talk this girl. This is not the way to live in the city. But she wouldn't listen. Now, see.
Hi.
Eh? Osirion ofu motorbike or buying and calls. Osirion.
Let's just hope we'll find her. Girls of nowadays, they don't listen. You tell them to stay here, they will sit. By the time you turn, they will jump to the other side.
Especially that Chidemma. She doesn't listen. Her ears are just standing up like antenna. She doesn't listen.
Hi. Manana, have you gone to the police, radio station and the Imagasino so that people will hear and know someone is missing?
I have spoken to my DPO friend Obino Keza. He said he will do something. Then for the radio station, I have a friend there, Bolly. I'll still call him and let him know.
So that we can find her.
I will, man.
Hey.
I will.
Hell.
See, Uzoma tell you, if I finally come outside, you could die for my hand for this nonsense way you do.
And they try to save a guy life. You know the kind of thing where they do for you? The history where they create?
No problem. Just get ready to die, because by the time I come out, this thing where you do me, you could die for. And just the ones where you don't do, you could die for.
If you kill my body, you will kill my soul.
Yes, sir.
And then they call you. You don't say you don't go see anybody.
Uzoma.
Sir, yes, sir.
Is that not my phone ringing?
Your phone been a ring before. Don't ring well. And the people won't kill you, and then they call you. Don't know where you did.
You said what?
People won't kill you, sir. And then they call you to know where you did.
Uzoma, please. I have done so much for you.
Yes, sir.
Why not just allow me have my phone? No, let me have my phone and that is all. You can lock up the door, lock up everywhere, I don't care, but let me just have my phone.
As your boy is humble, sir, now I know say you want to do something. You want to collect your phone, maybe for pick up police for me.
No, I can't do that, I can't do that. No, I know you are saving my life, please. Please, help me.
Greg is very wicked. He's very wicked. Since I start working for him, he has not even bought a car for me. His family based in America. Then I am here suffering for him as if I'm a church mouse. Other politicians are paying better. So he must be eliminated this season.
See, Oga Agent.
And let the other man become the senator.
Oga Agent. Why not we go straight to his house and do this? Because we are just wasting our time. I know we are taking a very big risk here. And one thing I want to let you know is that I hope say our money, our kaluba is in tight. Because when we are through with this, if you bring that your story come out, you know say it's a bit talk story. And then I go let you know say I will walk, no be church walk. I didn't make where guys lose over sack.
See, Chief is not even picking his car. By now, he's supposed to be here.
Guys, Chief might have taken another road. And we are here wasting our time.
No road. This is the only way he will pass to his polling unit.
Oga Agent, are you sure? Are you sure that
the
Chief
driver is here with us?
Are you sure that Chief must follow this road? Because I know why I'm telling you this. We have been wasting a lot of time and we didn't see anybody.
He will pass here. Trust me.
Dog, go inside that motor. Make sure go inside it. But Oga Agent, are you sure? Because we have wasted a lot of time.
Take her away from this place.
Sir, I know say you want to arrest me. But the thing what I do, now only this God I know. Now only this God I know the good thing what I do.
And what about the one I have done? What about... Take this girl out of this place. I don't train foolish
people. You have to remain silent. Whatever you say here you do, we use against you in the court of law. Now move.
Move away. Take her away.
Move. Move out. Nonsense. You think I train rubbish in this house? Listen, and whenever you come back to this house, don't ever... In fact, you will never remain here again.
Sir, I think you might be making a mistake. We need to talk inside.
I am not ready to listen to any talk for now. I am not happy at all, you can see. I am not just happy. That fool ruined my political career. Look at me. I missed the election. I'm not ready to listen. Look at me. Look at me. No, I want you to look at me. Where am I? Saving rubbish. I'm very sorry about that. So, Chris.
Yes, sir.
What did you say on the phone? That my car was sprayed with bullets?
Exactly, sir. It's by the grace of God that the other guys and I escaped. As we speak, boss, the driver and some other casualties along the roadside when the thing happened are in the general hospital.
Oh my God. Does it mean I was their target?
Obviously, sir. Your car was sprayed with bullets on the day of the election. Obviously, you are the target, sir. They planned to assassinate you.
Do you know that Uzoma told me about her dream?
Oh, she did?
Yes. No wonder that girl locked me indoors. All true. It is not very clear. Her dreams would have been very true. We have to go to the police station right away. I have to bail that girl outright because she has saved my life. Just wait. I'll be back in a jiffy. Wait.
My woman, my everything.
Please, what is going on? Why are you dancing?
What's going on? No, baby, just take a very good look at this man standing here. Tell me how much he's worth. No, for real. No, tell me how much did you think this man is worth?
Please, can you start telling me what is it?
You know, all of that toiling, late night outings, staying awake all the time, pressing my laptop, making calls, meeting calls, not having time for you, you know, all those problems. Guess what? It has finally paid off. This man right here is worth long money. In fact, I'm worth 120 million naira first payment.
Oh my God. You're joking, right?
I'm not joking. This is not night of 1,000 laughs.
Oh my God. Baby, I'm so happy for you.
My woman, my everything. God has finally done it for us.
I'm so happy for you.
Hold on. I need to get something. Oh, not now. Yeah, hello? Well, I'm okay. I'm just here celebrating with my woman. Oh, really? Oh. We can skip that later? Oh, okay. All right. Just keep the documents. I'm coming. Okay. Oh, this is not.
They are calling you again.
Yes, my love. I need to, sign some necessary documents for the second payments to be released. But that won't be a problem. When I come back right now, we will head to the car stand. Okay? Select any kind of car you want. Your man with the long money will pay. Full
You're
payment.
joking!
I'm not joking.
I love you.
I love you more.
Pick up my life and hustle, and I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take them easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey.
Fantastic! Wow. You are welcome. Look at how fresh you are looking.
Wow. It's so good to be home, man.
Of course, it's good to be home. Gentlemen,
you're welcome.
It's like where you came from, junior. Tap the seniors.
That's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
No, that's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
Alright.
And I could use.
Check in the trunk and get what is inside
the trunk. You carry trunk, come back.
No, open the boot.
Okay, the boot.
Yeah,
we're gonna get trunk. That's how stars do. And I could use. That's how stars I could use. Driver, come and open this thing now. You're coming. What about the luggages? No bag, no Americana. By the way, I thought people who come from America, they were native in America. I thought they wear baggy jeans and big polo. Look at you. Chiroko, this one that is not carrying bag. Yeah, well, ready the pot.
Everything was fine. That's all right.
Please, everything was okay.
I can see. It's just telling on you.
Dad,
So, well, yeah,
like
you're
shoe,
welcome.
right?
Oh, yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I know.
What is $1,000?
This must not be this country's shoes. I know that very well. Uzoma. Is Uzoma there? Please come over.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Son, this is the lady that saved my life. Yes. If not for her, you would have been fatherless by now.
Yes. Oh, God forbid. My dear, I so much appreciate you.
Thank you.
You know, when my dad told me the funny way you saved his life.
If I said I must come and see this funny girl.
No problem, sir.
God bless you.
Stop calling me sir. My name is Benson.
Oh, okay, okay.
Or you can still call me Ben for short.
No, no.
Quite a funny, yes, very funny lady. So you can go. You can go. Thank you very much. Actually, I was about dying for something than to live for nothing.
Oh.
So, but she saved my life.
She's very good.
Yes, my son.
Dad?
I want you back home. I want you to come home and manage our company. Because I want to relocate to the capital city to enhance my political career.
Dad.
Yes.
Dad, you're very smart. So you wanted me to come back and you had to play pranks on me. Why don't you call me? I will come and manage your business.
Well, that is
my
the
business too.
That is the only way I could get you back home.
Oh, Dad, come of it, come of it. Dad,
right, yeah.
lest I forget. This your housekeeper.
Yes.
Please, what's her name?
Uzoma. Is there any problem?
Dad.
Yes.
She deserves a reward for what she did. What do you think?
You are right. You are right. So, what do you have in mind?
Nothing for now, but I will tell you soon. Please call her, let her get me something cheap. I'm dehydrated.
It's all right.
Babe, don't be fooled though. So you mean you believed him?
Juliet, what else do you want me to say?
Men are wicked though. Barely 3 weeks your sister got missing and has not been found. He has made more than 100 million naira. And he can't even explain why he came back with a blood stain on that very day.
He said Okada men were fighting.
Okada men were fighting. Same day your sister got missing, same day Okada men were fighting and stained his shirt with blood.
Juliet, are you by any chance insinuating that my own blood sister must have been used for ritual?
Regina Daughter told me he comes home very late at night and goes out very late. What business could he be discussing so late at night? Well, you can go ahead and drive cars with your sister's blood.
Juliet, stop it right now. You're driving me crazy. Stop. If actually Afam did use my own blood sister for money ritual, I swear I shall make him pay for it.
I don't know, but for me, you don't belong here. I don't know why you're still here in the first place. You shouldn't be staying here anymore. You don't have any business here. For someone who used your sister for ritual. For me, I don't know.
don't understand. Why are you saying no all of a sudden?
Oh yes, I said I do not want your car. Until you explain to my family and I what happened to my sister. How she got missing, Afam. Yes!
Cello. Let me get something straight. Are you accusing me of your sister's disappearance? Is that what you just said now? Chika, did you just say that to me? Juliet, did you hear what your friend said?
Biko. Mbamba. Unetikolam na middle, please. But Afam, she saw you with blood.
Yes, so I saw him with blood. In fact, Afam, let me tell you, I am leaving your house right now. And I'm not going to come back until you explain to me or you prove to me beyond all reasonable doubt that you did not use my own blood sister for money ritual. Yes.
Me? Chika, are you actually saying that to me?
Yeah. Uzoma, you don't get sense. You don't want to change. After going to police station, Uzoma, you don't want to change. Look at you. You went into the pot and took the biggest part of the chicken without even considering whether your guy have eaten or not. Is that how you behave? I'm talking to you. You are dowering chicken in my bed before.
Yeah. Okwenta. Me and you don't get the same destiny. I don't make them already.
You don't make her.
Even before I come sit here, I don't already make her. They complain. The risk with me I take for go ahead. You be take am.
Even before you came to city, you've already made it. You don't know where people will make and they stay. What are you doing here? Let me tell you, I am going to report you to Oga. Hence, you have decided not to repent. You see this house. Your time in this house is not bad. Your time in this house is knocking korapo. I am going to tell Oga they will sack you if you doubt me. Mark it something.
You want transport?
To where?
For your information. This chicken where you see me the chop so. Now Oga and Oga Benson now give me. Make I tell you what's going to pay your body pass. Oga saying to send me go school.
Oga saying go do it. He go send you go school. To go and do what in school?
To go farm.
Of course. I thought as much. To go farm. I'm even talking. Yo. Come on, give me. Come on, I'm a human being like you. Give me chicken, let me chop. I'm a human being like you. Let me chop chicken. Give me chicken, master chicken. I'm a human being.
No, Afam. You shouldn't have allowed your wife to leave this house. Ha!
So what would you have me do? What do you expect me to do? That my own wife will look me in the eyes and call me a ritualist, accusing me of using her sister for money ritual? If someone had told me that she would say such a thing about me, let alone thinking it out, I wouldn't believe it. I was already a rich man when she met me. I was doing well for myself. Now why would she call me a ritualist? Why? You are my friend and my business colleague. You know the story. All those late nights were for business purposes, nothing else. Why would she think that about me?
I'm confused.
Same here. I'm dead confused and speechless.
Afam, what is the police people saying about this?
Of course, you know how they do. That they're still looking into the case. When they get relevant information, that they will let me know. For now, it's more like I don't know where I stand.
I think you have to go home and see her mother. Yeah. This is not like you.
Yeah, no, I will. I'm just shocked that all of these is happening to me.
Okay. Okay, good morning.
Yes, good morning. Okunta, how are you?
Okay, I know happy. I know they okay. I know they okay at all.
So what is the problem?
Okay, okay. The problem is, say, as a matter of fact, I say make I come speak my mind as a give me for mind, because this thing don't they eat me food for inside mind. All they really know be if they chop food for my mind. Now I say make I come speak my mind as a give me so. I think carry me come here.
So what are you talking about? I want you to go straight to the point.
Okay, Oga, because yes. This the question where I want to ask you now. No, if you go paying you, sorry, but no verse. Oga, Uzoma, between me and Uzoma, who don't serve you for a very long time for this place, and who don't serve you well? Then Uzoma, who first come for this place, they serve you, and who they serve you well? Because I want to know.
So is that your problem?
Okay, it's my problem. Because me, we don't serve you here since.
Uzoma will just come. We never even serve you for long. Never serve you reach 1 year. You don't carry Uzoma go put for school. Me, we don't there since. Okay, I don't even see school gates. I don't even see uniform. Let alone see a reader tray to take enter school. I don't even see. But Uzoma will come the other day. Whenever you will reach how many distance, Uzoma don't enter school. Okay, why?
Okonta, do you want to go to school?
Okay, not be like say I won't go to school, but
what? But what? Then what is your problem here?
Okay, okay. See, make I tell you this thing now through confession. Now I want to confess, because I don't talk say no. I no go continue to die in silence with this thing. Every time this thing they bother my heart. Okay, Nancy, where you sack, where you say make Nancy go. Okay, as a matter of fact, Nancy na girl where you say I don't sleep, wake up. I don't dream, wake up. I don't even for life like this. I dey visualize them, I dey see them. Say Nancy na girl where you say my mind don't decide say now this girl now I want settle with. Now this girl now I want marry. So when you say make I go put notice boss, notice post position, notice say new this thing. It get as this thing take do me for them. So but I say no. I no go continue to keep this thing to myself. Make I can't tell you, make you they aware. Say as it be me and say as I be.
Okay. Okonta, if you want to go to school, go and get prepared. My concern is you must have to pass your exams. That's all.
I know they pass exam before. How many times you don't send me a message, I go, I no deliver. You go send me, make I go buy drink. If I come back, I come back with accurate change. I no pass exam. Sometimes you go tell me, say, I go sweep compound. I go sweep compound. Make sure say single sound no day there. Okay, I no pass exam. When you tell me, say, I go cut flower. I know they cut them accurately. I no pass exam.
That's all right.
Which one be exam again?
That's all right. You're welcome.
Okay, okay, I'm welcome.
You're welcome.
I've heard you.
Okay, get us.
I've heard you.
It's just the way it's just.
It's all right, thank you.
We'll just come the other day. But okay, no problem. If you say that is okay,
funny boy.
I don't know why.
My in-laws. After pouring out my heart, and it's also full of surprises. You see, it's with a broken heart that I'm here today. I never believed that after all the good deeds I did for this family, that they will turn around to call me names. But it's okay. At least now, I've learned my lessons.
My son, don't worry. God is watching, and He knows the heart of every man.
Exactly. He knows our heart. He knows the truth. He knows everything. You see, all my late night outings was for business purposes. Nothing attached.
was for hustling.
So that's basically the reason we all need to, focus. So we don't end up working for nothing. At least we'll try to yield whatever that we have worked for. So we should be careful.
Like we were saying before, how much is involved in this? And how do we make sure this is entering our station?
Well, like I told you, our business is very genuine. We don't collect money because the police or naval officials might interrupt. But once you get to the office, once you get to the station, you can pay us. There's no problem.
See, some of us that doesn't have oil license, we do it stylishly to avoid mistakes so that the business will go well.
Stylishly?
Yes, of course.
Well, if you ask me, I think we all should, try so hard to have the license. It's very important. I believe with a license, you can, proceed with whatever plans you have. So for me, I am fighting so hard right now to have the license. Because that's where all this whole thing is boiling at, having the license.
Yes, and this one pays a lot, I think so.
Yes, it's a good business.
So it sounds like we have a deal now.
Yes,
Okay. So, we'll forward the account details to them.
Liar! Afam, you are nothing but a bloody liar. Liar! I still do not believe. I can never believe you. Never!
Chika, I'm a bloody liar.
Afam, we have heard all you said. But you have to come back with your people.
Uncle, this guy, this man right here, is lying. Yes, he must swear at the village deity. No, Uncle, we're talking about my own blood sister.
So, let's go anywhere and swear. There's no problem. My hands are clean. Let's go and swear anywhere.
Okay.
I will show you why I am called the tigress.
Yes.
Well,
Afam, our in-law, we heard all you said on how you have been doing heaven and earth for this family. And the ugly story you told us about our daughter Chidemma, my own daughter Chidemma, whom I always send an errand to purchase snow for me. Huh? Well, we have to make you swear before our shrine to prove you are innocent.
That's all, Uncle. That's all.
Tell me when we are going to swear. We'll go and swear.
Get out. Get out. Get out of my compound. Ekapo. Start leaving. Start leaving.
I should get out.
Get out.
I should get out.
Get out.
Mama, Emma, this is your fault. I've seen the kind of person you are. That's your daughter. You train her former. You train her well.
You are mad like this.
I can count how many cars that have been carrying your daughter. Different men, different places.
You are mad. You are a
If you say the truth, let her say it.
You are mad.
How many cars?
You dare talk to my daughter like
this?
Mama Chika.
Mfia na car. Oh God, that your daughter. You didn't train her well. You did not train her well.
Mashika is okay.
But you see, the God we serve, the God we serve will vindicate you before.
Go.
Mashika.
Mama, wait. Mama, don't stress yourself.
Pour me sand all you can. Look for water. Pour me water. Pour me water. So bad. Pour me water. I killed your daughter.
Can you go? Can you go?
Can you go? Mama Chika, Mama Chika.
Hey! Onyuoshi, this man is not even remorseful.
Madam,
show him something.
How's the God to even insult my mother?
I assure you, after swearing our shrine, he will see the implication of what he had done. He came here telling us, Chidema, Chidema, Chidema. He has been doing heaven and earth to this family. What does that mean?
Okay now.
Yeah?
Bali.
He must swear before our shrine.
If I make this money, then go down Balaga. Una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. And if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga.
Oh yeah, so you don't know what hey! God thank you. Mama, God thank you. Hey, what? Yeah! This was high. When I start for you before. Enter! Yeah! Hey! Who's up? Hey! When I heard your voice, I gave them this. Hey! My Oga said, before I talk, or before I even sit, I should deliver his message. Who this one? Yeah! This is Ojula. Hello! Who's up, mom? My Oga said this one from him. This one from his son that just came back. Give it to me one by one. I know you don't want to leave it. Hey! This is money. Yes. I know you will make it. You are a very smart girl. Anyhow is a how. Let's go inside. Enter again. Boom. Let's go inside. Yeah. Go. Let me follow you. One by one.
Oh. Akwa na ozizi m ka m na-eji ihe ọbụla ikwuru ka m na-eme. Afam, step in here. Remove your shoe. Carry this pot. Alụnsi obodo ya kwa ozi ziri m ka m na-eje isi m kwuo ka m na-ekwu ogene. Say after me. If I know anything about Chidema's disappearance,
If I know anything about Chidema's disappearance,
or use her for money ritual.
or use her for money ritual,
or having been into any ritual in my life.
Who gonna?
Say what you ask. Shut up, you. Talk to him.
My son.
Who gonna?
or haven't been into any ritual in my life.
Let me die before the 3 market days.
Let me die. Let me die before the 3 market days.
Oh, akwa no zizuru m ka m na-eje ogenede isi m kwuo ekwugo m isi m kwuo. Let me warn you. Do not take this oath for granted. Because the deity of our land is not merciful. Oh, drop this pot.
Juliet, my sister. It was yesterday night I heard a knock at my door. As I opened, I saw Chidima, Chika's sister, the one that got lost.
Wait, Cherry. Chidima.
Yes.
Chika's sister.
Chika's sister. Wait. Chika's sister is still alive.
You mean Chidima is alive?
She's alive. But she was looking so dirty and unkept. I was even afraid. I was scared if she was not a ghost. Nne, as I speak to you now, Chidima is in my room sleeping. She told me how she got into a fine jeep with a fine boy. As a lift, oh, my dear, all of a sudden she found herself inside a thick forest where she met other girls tied on a tree and their mouths sealed. It was only God that helped her to escape. In fact, she was raped. I'm telling you.
You mean Chidima was raped?
Yes, Chidima was raped. In fact, it took her days to escape from the bush. Until she met one man on a canoe at the river bank who helped her and saved her. After this man took her to the hospital for she to regain her senses back. Just join me to thank God that this girl did not die.
Why is this world so wicked? Why? You know what? I need to see her now. Do you know what Afam has gone through? Afam has gone through a lot. You need to take him to your house now. I need to take her to the village immediately so Afam can be vindicated though. Hey!
Let's go. She's in my house sleeping. She's in my house.
A good heart is good. A better heart is the best to you.
Mama!
Who is that?
Mama.
What is it? What is it?
Chidima.
What?
Chidima is alive.
Ah! Yes. Where is she? Which Chidima? Here she comes. You are alive. Mama, she's alive. Mama, calm down. Chidima, stand up, let's go inside. She has a lot of stories to tell.
No matter how it goes, a good heart. I always thinks for a way forward. What to do to please all these people, oh. But no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. A good heart is good. A better heart is the best to you. No matter what you do, it's always being good.
So the prodigal daughter has finally... No, don't come close to me. So, I'm no more a ritualist. I do not suck blood at night. So you people who subjected my name, called me all sorts of names, because I decided to help your family, because I found love, you called me a ritualist for something I know nothing about. You see, I've come to realize that so many people in the prison are guilty of something they know nothing about. I could have been jailed. I could have been killed. You see, when I was invited, I said to myself, I must come and witness this. I must come and look you in the face and know why you did what you did. Why? Do not say you are sorry. Why?
Please forgive us. Forgive us.
I should forgive you, Mama. No, you don't need to lie down. You see, I have learnt my lessons. And deep down, I have forgiven this family.
Oh, thank you.
I will let things go
Thank you.
and leave everything in the hands of God. Who am I to hold grudges against you? If God can forgive us, who am I? And the elders that subjected me to taking oath, I also forgive you.
Thank you, Ngam. Thank you. God bless you. Oh, Machika Kosoria. Oh, yeah, Biko.
A good heart is good. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best. Is the best. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to you. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best. Yo, is the best. If for solo see me best, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, good to all the way. Onyapyo mage melele manowa. Maka, no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. He always thinks for a way forward to go. What? A good heart is good. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best. You. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to you. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best. Yo, is the best. If for solo see me best, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, good to all the way. Onyapyo mage melele manowa. Maka, no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. He always thinks for a way forward to go. What to do to please all these people, oh. But no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. A good heart is good. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best. You. Is the best. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to you. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best. You. Is the best. If for solo see me best,